They're the Earth's first fighters, the ultimate predators. New discoveries in forensic science bring to life the prehistoric art of war. This is Jurassic Fight Club.
In 1503, an ordinary man with an extraordinary destiny is born in a small town in southern France. Today, more than 500 years later, the name Nostradamus is revered by thousands of people all over the world as an unparalleled prophet. One who predicts the future with astonishing accuracy. Even skeptics are intrigued by the sheer mystery of his powers. And now, lying quietly in a library in Rome, a manuscript with his name on it has been discovered. A cryptic codex of bizarre imagery and countless prophecies, now revealed for the first time on television. Among them, a startling prediction of when and how the world will come to an end.
From 1945 through 1962, the U.S. conducted over 300 nuclear tests in the remote hills of New Mexico.
Don't see too many travelers around here. Where are y'all headed?
San Diego?
You have a safe trip.
No one ever imagined the horror that was left behind.
We're in the middle of the desert.
We're not alone. There is someone living in those hills.
The hills have eyes.
What do you want from us?
Time Warner Cable wants to thank you, our customers, in a big way.
With Time Warner Cable's Big Thanks Sweepstakes.
As a customer, you're automatically entered. You could win HD TV or laptop prizes, live large on a trip for 4, or drive off in a new 2010 Ford Mustang. The more services you use, the more chances you have to win. Even win autographed Manu stuff and meet the big man himself.
Thanks for being a Time Warner Cable customer. Like me.
Visit twcbigthanks.com for details and extra entries.
Copa Toyota Libertadores, pronto. Continuamos con la tradición de la NFL y Fox Sports, siempre con los mejores eventos en la recta final del deporte más rudo del mundo, el fútbol americano. Llega a su fase de playoffs y en Fox Sports tenemos enfrentamientos cruciales en la carrera hacia la final de la Conferencia Nacional. Y no te pierdas el Super Domingo de la NFL, la mejor cobertura, las mejores jugadas, los partidos y toda la acción en los emparrillados. La NFL está en Fox Sports.
Niños, hemos creado una maravillosa bebida llamada Solekits, que concentra el poder de las proteínas, vitaminas y minerales para ser más fuertes y más sanos.
¿Vienen 4 sabores?
Sí.
¿Y sabe rico?
¡Delicioso!
¿Todos en la Tierra tendrán nuestro poder?
Sí.
Perfecto, vámonos.
Solekits, tu gran dosis de poder. ¡Achoo!
やっぱりたまには日本ですか？そろそろ JAL で
Dream skyward